welcome to this tutorial on how to play Don't Tempt Me by Mike Lowry. Forgive me if I just butchered his name, it may be Mick Lowry, not really sure, but gonna go ahead and proceed here. Standard tuning, no capo, it's all bar chords, so if you're a beginner, you might want to pick a different song first. There's no tabs out for the song, so I'm just hearing this all by ear, but we're gonna go ahead and get started here. So we're gonna have our 11th fret barred. This is a G sharp chord, I forget what the exact name of it is, but you are going to bar the 11th fret with your index finger from the 5th string down, and your middle finger is going to be on the 12th fret of the B, and your ring finger is going to be on the 13th fret of the D. And when we bar that, we're going to pick the A, the G, and the B strings. Then you pick the G and the B again. And you're going to do that twice. Next we're going to drop down to I believe this is an A sharp? No. G sharp, G, F sharp. This is an F sharp. So you're going to bar the 9th fret with your index finger, 5th string down, and then you're going to bar the 11th fret with your ring finger from the 4th string down. And you're going to pick those same strings, A, G, and B. And then you pick the G and the B again. Next you're going to transition to a slight variation of that chord, where you're going to have your middle finger on the 10th fret of the G, ring finger on the 11th fret of the D, and your pinky on the 11th fret of the B. Pinky's all the way down there. And that's it. So this is what the verse sounds like. So you got your first G sharp chord. Play that twice. Switch to our F sharp chord. Then that variation. Back to your G sharp. Play that twice. To your F sharp chord. Variation. One more time. Alright, so that's it. That's the chord progression that is played throughout the entire song. So that's going to be it for this tutorial. If you have questions, go ahead and comment below. If you'd like to see more tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.